Hi friends, welcome to Active Self-Protection Extra today with Neil Widener, the CMO here at C2 Tactical in Scottsdale. And we have another drill of the month for you for this year for May.
Mountain Man Medical has name brand proven trauma medical supplies with a price match guarantee to ensure you get the right gear at the right price. Check them out at get-asp.com/mountainman.
I'm enjoying these, Neil. I feel like they're a lot of fun and they just get us a chance to get out there and shoot.
They are. You know, there is some tactical and all of that self-defense stuff that is kind of comes into play, but the fact is they're fun. And sometimes we can go to the range and have a good time too, right?
I think that's really where it's at. So we are shooting these drills of the month. Number one, from a low ready, because not everybody's range allows them to draw from the holster. Number two, we're trying to do things in a lower round count fashion because ammo is still expensive. But number three, keep our skill set sharp. Of course, you want to do dry practice. Dry practice is where your skill set gets better. But this, I think, it just helps you get out and have fun at the range and test your skill set.
Exactly.
So this one is pretty simple. It's a little spicy. Okay, it's a little bit of spice. So we've got B8s here. We're using C2 Tacticals B8s. We ran out of the ASP targets today. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put those B8s out at 10 yards. Now we're gonna start from a low ready position, which in this case, from this position that we are starting for this particular drill, means we are aimed at the bottom left or the bottom right corner of the target. I don't wanna argue about it. I don't wanna argue about start positions. That's the start position for this drill, okay? On the beat, you have 10 seconds to fire 10 shots at 2 B8s. That's 10 shots total. So you're gonna fire 5 on one B8, 5 on the other B8, but you gotta transition between each shot. So it's not fire 5, transition, fire 5. It's come up and fire 1, transition, fire 1, transition, fire 1, transition, fire 1 until you've shot 10 times. Once you've shot 10 times, you add up your score. Of course, it's scored out of 100 points. You wanna score as high as you can. An entry level on this, what we wanna see at the beginning level, not even a beginning level, a very competent level is 80 points. If you can score 80 points, again, they show 7 rings on this. A 7 is a 0 to me. Anything outside the 8 ring is a 0. So goal number 1, put them all inside the 8 ring. So that would be scoring over 80 points. Under 10 seconds at 10 yards. I'm gonna tell you, it takes a good bit of trigger control to make that happen for 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Higher from there, a high competence level, 90 points. An expert standard, 95 points. Now then, we'll run it that way. We'll see how great we do. We actually even have the pro level on this. And the pro level is we drop the par time to 7 seconds. Oof. So let's put it out there and shoot it at 10 seconds. To 10 yards. You get to go first on this one, Neil.
Hey, Natalie and I do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
You made me do the last month.
No.
You made me
We're doing rock, paper, scissors. No, I got to teach you how this works.
No, you made me go first with no rock, paper, scissors
I'm
last
going to
month.
introduce you to Natalie and Dad's rock, paper, scissors game.
Oh, for golly
So
gracious.
you have to comment below if you think John should play the whatever.
So it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, I go first.
Okay.
That's how we play.
What if you tie, you go?
No matter what, one of us has already decided.
Oh, okay. Okay, Mr. Neil. Assume that low ready position, you are going to fire 1 on the top left and 1 on the top right, back and forth to 10 rounds. Can you count to 10?
I'm going to do my best.
All right, are you at the ready position?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Okay, safely holster up. Bring it in, let's score it. So, what do you got there? That's a 7.59. So you shot that nearly at the pro level timing anyways. So what are we gonna call there? We're gonna call down 1, down 2 on the right, down 3, or is that 4? 1, 2, 3, you got 2 in the 9 ring on the left, 2 in the 9 ring on the right.
Yep.
Down 4 points,
Yep.
96.
I'll take it.
That's an expert standard, right? So that's an expert shooting that. Really excellently done, bro.
Ooh. Yeah, I was really nervous going into that because that 10 yards is not something, typically we're at 3, we're at 7, or we're at 15 or 25. 10 is a weird spot that we don't get too much. So
my turn. Let me see.
Your turn. Let's see what you got, tough guy.
Probably nothing. All right, I can do this. All I can do is bring all the skill that I currently possess on demand to the task at hand.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Had to speed up a little bit there at the end. Where was I?
9:20.
9:20, so I used my time effectively. I'm so frustrated with myself with that. Those were all good. These were good. You could see me pushing right. I definitely was pushing right, but still in the 10 ring. Missed one out there. Dang it, 99. I hate 99. I hate 99 with everything that's in me. But we'll take this. Obviously, this is quite good shooting. Anything 95 or above, I feel like you're really killing it. That's this month's drill of the month, and we want you to post it now. For those of you who can shoot over 95, guess what you get to do? You get to shoot the version of this drill on the pro level at 7 seconds par. Let's see Neil do it. Now, Mr. Neil, the bottom two are what you're going from. Now, so 7 seconds. Anything over 7 seconds don't count.
DQ. We're not adding points, nothing. Just
No. So you don't count those points.
Oh, you count. Okay.
So you're minus 10. Any shot that counts after that. And then again, we're trying to stay over 80 points here.
Okay.
But you got to get some spice in your game. 7 second par. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
Ooh, that was ugly.
So Neil, the speed demon. 5.76 seconds, bring it in.
Can't we just leave it out there?
Hey man, that's hard.
Yeah, I don't think I got the score.
Oh, that's a 7 ring hit. That counts as a nil, a 0.
Yep.
So we're down 10, 11, 12, wait, I'm sorry, 11, 12, 13, 14 on the left, 15, 16, 17 total on the right. You scored 83, bro.
All right, I'll take it.
You made it.
In what time?
In 5.76.
All right, so
That's pretty
I could
okay.
have been a little more careful and got 10 more points right here.
Yeah, I mean,
That was
easy
just-
day, right? So you'd have been in the 90s all day with just a skosh more care.
Yeah.
But that makes it really spicy when you're really going.
Yeah, right. It does. I don't know why. I just felt like all of a sudden I got to go fast. And here comes Ricky Bobby out the end of my gun. Here we go.
Well, so again, maybe for you, 10 seconds is that time where it does that. Maybe you go, oh gosh, it's 7. Maybe you're Riley Bowman and you got to set your time at 4 seconds to make this really start making you go Ricky Bobby.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to push you a little bit and maybe push us beyond our current limits. My turn to shoot it on the pro level.
All right.
Okay, I need to see this better. I need to come up bang, 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 bang. I need to not mess around with it. 7 seconds.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Whew, I blew that one bad. I blew 20 points out. I am just all over the place on that one. 529. As you can see, that's 10. That's 11 down. I'll give myself that. That's 11 points down, but that's 21, 22, 23, 24. So I failed today. I got a 76. I'd like to try that one more time and see if I can get that under the time standards, shall we?
You want to use my target? It's a little better.
Ouch. Hurtful. Neil feels so good about that. Felt it going hard, but I felt like Ricky Bobby. Ricky Bobby came and snatched up my grip and said,
Yep.
Hey, you got to go faster than that. Because if you ain't first, you last. All right, let's see if I can do better this time. Suck less.
Are you ready? Stand by.
I shot that. Wait, was that 10?
You shot 11 times.
Did I really?
No, you did not. It picked up a shot from over there. You were done in 6-1-1, and it picked up an 11 shot, so that's why you're seeing 8-1-1.
That was my last shot, and that's a 0. Okay, so that's down 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I shot an 83 on the last one. I'll take an 83.
Yeah.
I'll be all right with it. At least I passed, right? At least I passed.
6-1-1 was your time.
And 6-1-1 was my time. We picked up some other shots. Yeah, and I shot 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a minute. How did I? Oh no, because there was extra shots in there because of the. Yeah. Anyways, words. I did shoot the required number of shots. Anyhow, I think this is a great drill. I think at the pro time, man, it's a bit spicy for me right now.
It is for me too, and I think it's just because we get the little flutter in there, in that I darn near did it the first time when I knew I had 10 seconds. I'm just shooting my sights the way I feel, and I'm comfortable. I don't feel like I'm being pushed and there's nobody behind me getting ready to hit me. When you drop it to 7, all of a sudden you're like, oh, I gotta go, and that's where I am. Somebody else might not be there. Riley Bowman might have that feeling at 4.
That's true. Okay, so this is how you're gonna shoot this one. Shoot it at the 10-second standard. If your goal is to get, your goals get 80 or above, right? If you can post it in the Ask Dry Fire Challenge group on Facebook that you scored at 80 or above, I'll get Neil to send you a sticker, which would be pretty cool. And if you shoot it clean and you beat Neil, then he will write you a poem on Facebook.
That's better. I can do that.
You can write a poem?
Yeah.
He'll write you a poem.
I'm not much at polkas, but I can do poetry.
There you go.